Hello everyone. Look at this another easiest question from NEET 2026 Physics. So the question is a resistor is connected to a battery of 12 volt with the internal resistance small r is given 2 ohm and the current in the circuit is 0.6 ampere. Then the question is what is the terminal voltage? Okay. So whenever current is drawn from the circuit, we have the formula of terminal voltage V is equal to E minus IR whenever it is discharging. So all this value are given, we have to just find out the terminal voltage. So E minus IR, we have the formula. Okay, so battery is 12 volt minus current is given 0.6, internal resistance is 2. So if you multiply 12 minus 6 into 2, which is 12, so it becomes 1.2. So 12 minus 1.2, which is nothing but 10.8 volt. So correct answer is here, fourth one. Thank you.